I don't know, but I wish you a very happy 80th birthday. This is May Ikopu. You are number 8 sibling out of 9. Somebody looking at you will not believe at all that you are 80 years. You've made 80 now, the new 50. I know when you were turning 70, it used to scare you that time. You used to say, 70. I'm 70. 70 sounded like 100 in those days. But see, that's just 10 years ago, and now you are looking even much better. I know that part of it is that you have been taking your exercises very seriously. I know that in the Senior Citizens and Elders Forum of Nigeria, SCIFON, a elders club, which both of us belonged, we used to exercise at IBB, International Golf and Country Club, every Saturday and sometimes on Tuesdays. Even when the other people were not there, you were consistent. You were always there. When the lady that used to take us, Ebo Yabola, who was 80 at the time, after she relocated to her home state, you took over. And you made sure that we always did the exercise, whether it is dancing or going for a walk, 3-mile walk, in the club. You were always there. And I don't know, in the family, that one is just the social life. In the family, you have been a strong pillar in the family, making sure that everything is peaceful. You are at peace with everybody. You are at peace with everybody. And you are generous to a fault. I know that anywhere you travel, you always find something. Let me get something for this person. Let me get something. You always have something for somebody. Somebody is going to visit Lagos, you package something. Please take this to my sister in Lagos. You do. Oh, I don't know. You're fantastic. And what of your grandchildren? God has blessed you with very good children and very good grandchildren. You are very close to them, especially within Namdi's children, with whom you did their homework. It's so tasking. Doing homework with the grandchildren, you were always there for them. And you all lived well. There was never a problem that mother-in-law is living in the house. There was never such a problem. It's really quite unique. You are something else, I don't know. We thank God for your life. We thank God for your good health. We thank God for your religious life. I remember even in Kaduna, when you were in Kaduna, you used to do a lot of evangelism, going out, and one day that the Holy Spirit came upon you, you went out into the market and you were speaking deep Hausa that you didn't even know how to speak. It was the Holy Spirit making you speak in Hausa, and later they told you were speaking Hausa. You were amazed. You didn't even know that you did such a thing. I don't know. May God continue to bless you. Have a wonderful day. Hip, 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 hooray. Hip, 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 hooray. Hip, 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 hooray. Bye-bye.